Hey, what's going on everyone? Two awesome bundles going on right now, and I totally forgot to make a video. Sorry. One of them expires tomorrow or the day after. The Learning You Some Code bundle, and it is spectacular. Link in the description below. I'm getting married in 2 weeks, which is why I've been so friggin' awful at making lots of videos. But that will all end in 2 weeks, and then I'll be back to having the time and energy to do as many videos as I want. So the No Starch Classics here. Automate the boring stuff with Python, Perl one-liners, useful Linux command line, if you like it in book form. My favorite books right in the middle tier here, Learn You a Haskell for Great Good, Closure for the Raven True, Land of Lisp. If you can like read and digest those books, practice for a year, you'll be a fucking excellent programmer. So yeah, just saying that, you know, excellent programmers get paid pretty well. Python Crash Course, also excellent. Think Like a Programmer, also a great book for beginners. Wicked Cool Shell Scripts, it's just a nice recipe book for bash scripts. The second bundle is the Headfirst Bundle. I haven't seen one of these before. There's a couple here that are really good. The SQL book that's pulling by here, it's actually in the first tier, is definitely worth the price of admission. Stats, I actually haven't read this one, but it seems interesting, especially if you're getting into machine learning and that kind of thing. Don't read this one. Don't become a project manager. Don't have a heart attack at age 45. Agile might be interesting if you're going to be working on an Agile team. The Design Patterns book has helped me through many interviews, even though I don't regularly use a lot of these design patterns because I just generally don't design software that requires a lot of them, or really use languages that require a lot of them. Python, I don't know about this, but it seems good. I mean, Headfirst has a good reputation. This one you'd probably be on this one already, but, and this is really weird, this is that model that I see everywhere. She's everywhere. This is crazy. She's like on every billboard I walk by. It's like she's following me. I don't know who this is, but if you know, leave it in the comments because she's everywhere. Anyway, these are the two bundles, links in the description, and each link will have a Tutorial Linux partner param, so you can basically send me a tip, and by tip I mean, dear God, please help me pay for this wedding. It's insane. Why did I marry an Italian girl? No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, so in 3 weeks' time, I'll be back to my regular video making schedule, so it'll be like it was about a year ago, which was several videos a month. Much love. Thanks for hanging out, everyone. Oh, and if you've listened this long, you must be a real fan. You must be a true Tutorial Linux Horde member. So I'll tell you, I haven't officially launched this yet, but if you go to monity.com, then you can kind of preview the side project I've been working on for the last year with a friend. It's going to be a monitoring product. I'm sorry about the shitty landing page and sales copy. Forget about this. Basically, what this can let you do is end-to-end checking for web apps. So if you guys are working on any web applications or you maintain them at work and you want an end-to-end check that checks whether a host is up or a page is loading, or there's a specific element on a web page, or your SSL certs are set up right, or your SSH stuff is set up right and you're not being man-in-the-middled, or just like a thing is up and accepting TCP connections. This is a, well, free right now way of setting up those checks for your application. So if that's interesting to you, check it out. I'm doing this at the end of this video because almost everyone will have stopped watching already. So if you're still here, it's a little secret thing. Don't tell too many people. We're not 100% done yet, and obviously a lot of the stuff is going to get overhauled. But you can sign up for free right now and basically start monitoring and alerting in a super straightforward and simple way. So anyway, have fun. Peace.